Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install R, and once you install R, how you can use RStudio to start coding in R program. So let's get started. Uh, so in order to download R, you need to go to this website, that is clan.r-project.org. Here you will find R program for all different OS like Linux, Mac OS and Windows. You can install any of the above as per your laptop or desktop OS. So you need to click this links in order to download R. It will take some time for the download to complete, and once the download completes, you can go to your downloads and click the R setup and install it in your machine. And once you install it, in order to download the RStudio, you need to go to the RStudio website, that is posit.co downloads RStudio desktop. And here you will see that RStudio is available for different operating system, and as per your laptop or desktop OS you can install any of the above. And from here onwards, when you download, you can go to the downloads and you can run the RStudio setup and install it. Once the download finishes, what you can do, you can open RStudio, and once the RStudio installation is complete, this is how the RStudio will look. Now in this RStudio, you can change your coding style as well. For that, you need to go to the tools and you need to click the global options, and from there you can write uh, do some changes as per your preferences. Like if you like, you want to change the background of your editor, then you can select any of this as per your style. Some people like coding in the dark mode, so you can see plenty of the options which are available here. I need to click apply and hit OK. So this is how the RStudio installation will be completed, and this is how you can install RStudio in your laptop or desktop. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone.